If your account got flagged for offering compensation for reviews and you didn't even ask for a review, this video is for you. We're seeing more sellers caught in Amazon's review policy enforcement due to QR codes, packaging inserts, and post-sale discounts. Let's go ahead and break this down. Why QR codes cause trouble? Even if your packaging doesn't mention reviews, Amazon treats any post-sale offer like 20% discount via QR code as an incentive, especially if it asks for an email. This makes it look like you're building a list from Amazon's customers, which Amazon strictly forbids. Amazon doesn't need you to say, leave a review. They just flag it as influence. How to fix this? Here's what you do. Immediately remove the QR code from all packaging and reprint if necessary. Make sure the page it is linked to is taken down or updated with no offer, no pop-up, no opt-in. Then document what changed, screenshot your new label, describe what the original funnel did, and be ready to submit it if needed. How to prevent this in the future? Going forward, use QR codes only for education. Think usage guides, FAQs, or ingredient information. Don't collect email from Amazon buyers via your packaging. Don't offer discounts post-sale unless they're totally separate from Amazon traffic, and avoid saying things like, DM me for 20% off on social media. Amazon sees that as well. If you're facing this issue and need step-by-step fix, we have a free checklist and SOP that you can follow. If you're not sure whether your funnel is compliant, we offer a quick review service, but for most sellers, this is something you can fix now on your own terms.